Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ron, your host. Welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. And today is a user review of the BOYA BY-MM1 shotgun microphone. It's a very affordable mic for your DSLR or for your smartphone. I'll put links below to Amazon.com and Amazon.ca so you can price it out and see what it's going for in your countries. And in my opinion, for the bang for the buck, this mic is probably one of the best mics out there. I tried a Comica camera rig before, and it was about $90 Canadian, and it came with a mount for the phone, a handle, and a microphone, shotgun microphone. But it sounded horrible. I may include the audio samples in this video review, but it was a horrible sound, especially in low noise situations. You hear lots of background noise from the mic. I have no idea if it was a defective mic or what, but it sounded terrible. I sent it back. And I bought this one, and I was just absolutely amazed by the quality of the sound and the actual price. It comes with a dead cat windscreen, 2 cables, one for a DSLR audio cable, and one for a smartphone audio cable. So let's do some audio samples and compare them with the mic and with the onboard sound on my S9 smartphone. This is a test with the built-in mic on the Samsung S9 Galaxy smartphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have to say that the mic on the S9 is actually a very, very good quality mic. It's a really good quality mic compared to other smartphones. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is a test with the onboard mic on the Galaxy S9 smartphone. This is a test with the BOYA mic on the S9 smartphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the BOYA mic on the S9 smartphone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we're doing an audio test outside in the wind. It's fairly breezy, finding a day with some wind. So this is the onboard mic on the Galaxy S9. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You should be hearing lots of wind noise. It's fairly breezy out right now. So this is the onboard mic of the Galaxy S9. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now let's do the BOYA mic with the dead cat wind filter on. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just waiting for a gust of wind. Okay, now we got a good gust of wind. You shouldn't be hearing any wind noise at all with the wind filter on there right now with the BOYA mic. Fairly good gust of wind right now. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's blowing fairly good right now. There should be no wind noise at all with the BOYA mic. This mic shines when it's outdoors in the wind. Indoors, you really might not notice a huge difference in the quality of the mic. The S9 mic, built-in mic, is actually a very, very good quality mic. So I'm not sure how it stacks up with other smartphones. But right now it's getting fairly breezy, and you shouldn't be hearing any wind noise at all with the BOYA mic with the windstock on. So this concludes the test of the BOYA mic outdoors with dead cat wind filter on it. Well, ladies and gents, that's going to wrap up the test with the BOYA mic on the S9 smartphone. It really shines outside. You will still hear a little bit of noise, wind noise coming through the mic. It was fairly breezy outside. Didn't look like it was the least blowing, but it was fairly windy outside with the mic. So in my opinion, for the price, you really can't go wrong. Like I said, links before, below, links for pricing on Amazon. If you want to price it out and see what the mic is going for. That's well worth the money in my opinion. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching.